Hello everyone. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I'm Kawamoto, Representative Director and CEO of Gumi. I would like to begin by walking you through our financial results for the third quarter of the fiscal year ending April 2026. First, I would like to report on our performance in the third quarter. In short, this quarter was an important turning point for our company. Driven by the strong performance of our new title, Oradora, the group achieved significant growth in both revenue and profit. Specifically, we recorded net sales of 2,982 million yen, with an operating profit of 293 million yen. Ordinary profit came in at 470 million yen, leading to a quarterly net profit attributable to owners of parent of 496 million yen. Most notably, Oradora has successfully moved past its initial investment phase exactly as planned. This allowed us to achieve strong operating profitability for the third quarter on a standalone basis. As a result, we have secured profitability at all levels for the cumulative period as well. Next, I would like to address the resilience of our business portfolio. While the crypto asset market experienced a period of stagnation this quarter, our flagship title, Oradora, delivered growth that far outpaced those market headwinds. This demonstrates the power of our dual-engine strategy. By having our mobile game business and the blockchain-related business complement one another, we have built a robust earnings base that remains stable regardless of external market volatility. Next, I would like to walk you through our key highlights for the third quarter. Regarding the progress of our medium-term plan, cumulative pre-tax profit reached 1.94 billion yen. This represents approximately 60% progress against our full-year target. As I will detail in the following slides, the market environment for crypto assets remains characterized by uncertainty. However, we are confident in our ability to drive performance further. By steadily executing our ongoing initiatives within the mobile game business, we will solidify our trajectory toward achieving our target. As part of our commitment to aggressive growth investment, we are currently fast-tracking two strategic projects. First is the official fan-generated merchandise ecosystem, a collaborative venture with Sky Perfect JSAT and Hitachi Solutions. This represents a major step toward building a new economic ecosystem that transcends traditional IP business models by co-creating value directly with the fan community. Second is the development of our new predictive data service. With our company leading the development, we aim for a rapid market rollout through Gumi, one of Japan's largest platforms. By monetizing vast amounts of user behavioral data as a strategic asset, we intend to establish this as a core revenue pillar in an entirely new domain. Lastly, regarding Shareholder Benefit Program. As a token of our gratitude for your continued support, we will once again implement our Shareholder Benefit Program using crypto assets this fiscal year. By inviting our shareholders to engage directly with the crypto asset market, we hope to foster a deeper understanding of our business and share in our vision for the future. Next, I'd like to provide more context regarding our progress toward the full-year profit targets. As previously noted, our revised medium-term plan sets a full-year profit target range of 2.5 to 4 billion yen. With cumulative profit through the third quarter reaching 1.94 billion yen, we have achieved roughly 60% of the 3.25 billion yen midpoint. We recognize that achieving this target requires a significant acceleration in the fourth quarter. We view this target as a critical commitment. To ensure we meet them, we are focusing on two primary growth drivers. We begin with further accumulation in the mobile game business. By further refining the operational excellence of our existing titles led by the continued success of Oradora, we will solidify our revenue baseline. We are ready to step on the accelerator in Q4, and we have high expectations for the results. Second, we are positioned to capitalize on shifting conditions in the crypto asset market. Following a period of significant volatility in Q3, the market has begun to stabilize. We intend to capture this relative stability and convert it into incremental profit growth. By delivering consistent results in the mobile game business and leveraging a stabilizing external environment, We are confident in our ability to hit our full-year target and build a foundation for sustained long-term growth. Next, I will outline the specific measures we are taking to further solidify our core earnings pillar, the mobile game business. Our flagship title, Oradora, continues to demonstrate robust growth, serving as the primary engine for the entire group. Looking ahead, we are set to release a new major IP title later this year in 2026. This ensures our roadmap for sustained medium to long-term revenue expansion is firmly in place. In particular, regarding our current operations for Oradora, we are executing a two-pronged strategy focused on both offensive and defensive measures. On the offense side, we will launch our half-anniversary campaign from late March through end of April. We are rolling out a series of content updates designed to maximize player excitement and engagement, including entirely new original story arcs and mini-games. Our goal is to move beyond a one-hit wonder and cultivate a long-life title that players will enjoy for years to come. Simultaneously, on the defense side, we are streamlining our profit structure. We view the market shifts triggered by the new Mobile Software Competition Act as a significant opportunity and are aggressively implementing direct-to-consumer billing outside of traditional app stores. By bypassing conventional platform fees, we can convert revenue growth directly into the bottom line, significantly expanding our profit margins. By balancing aggressive content expansion with disciplined cost restructuring, we will elevate the mobile game business's profitability to the next level. Next, I would like to provide an update on a key initiative in our new business domains. Our proof of concept for the official fan-generated merchandise ecosystem. While the market for secondary creations has grown into a global powerhouse, the industry faces an urgent need to establish a framework where creators can operate freely without legal uncertainty. To address this, we have partnered with industry leaders, Sky Perfect JSAT and Hitachi Solutions. Together, we are building an innovative system that balances the revitalization of the creator economy with robust intellectual property protection. Our goal is to establish a sustainable, circular model where IP holders, creators, and fans all share in the value created. Through this initiative, we aim to accelerate the growth of Japan's world-class creative subcultures. Ultimately, we intend to scale this next-generation ecosystem into a significant and unique earnings pillar for our company. Next, I would like to talk about our entry into predictive data services. There is immense latent value in the prediction process, the collective outlook people hold regarding high-interest news and events. To capture and monetize this data, we are developing Yosoku Hiroba, an incentivized platform where users compete on the accuracy of their future event forecasts. The core of this service is the creation of highly accurate collective intelligence by aggregating individual insights. We intend to meet the growing global demand for high-quality data by providing these unique data sets to media outlets and research institutions. Looking further ahead, our vision is even broader. By integrating our expertise in blockchain technology and AI, we aim to ensure total transparency and reliability, eventually creating new financial products that allow for the direct trading of these predictions. By combining our gaming-derived user experience with cutting-edge technology, we are building an entirely new category of data business that will drive our long-term corporate value. Next, I would like to discuss our shareholder benefit program. On February 12th, we decided to implement this fiscal year's shareholder benefits. This initiative is both an expression of our deep gratitude for our shareholders' continued support and a strategic effort to enhance our investment appeal. There is a deeper purpose to this program beyond the reward itself. It offers our shareholders a direct opportunity to engage with crypto assets, the very core of our blockchain-related business, and to experience its potential firsthand. While the winners are selected via a lottery system, we view this as a vital touchpoint for deepening your understanding of our business. This fiscal year again, we will distribute a total of 16 million yen worth of Bitcoin and XRP to 1,130 shareholders. Through this program, We hope to bring you closer to our business and share our vision for the future growth of the company. Moving on, I would like to highlight the key takeaways from our financial performance for both the cumulative and standalone third quarter periods. For the cumulative 9-month period, net sales reached 6,832 million yen, with an operating profit of 130 million yen and ordinary profit of 1,972 million yen. Net profit attributable to owners of parent stood at 1,847 million yen. I would like to draw your attention specifically to our standalone third quarter performance. Sales grew by 486 million yen compared to the second quarter. We see this not as a temporary spike, but as tangible proof that Oradora has elevated our earning power to a new level. Our profitability is also showing a very healthy trend. The heavy marketing and promotion investments made during the initial launch phase have normalized as planned, leading to a dramatic improvement in our cost structure. This has resulted in a substantial operating profit for the quarter. Furthermore, in our blockchain-related business, valuation gains on crypto assets received through strategic alliances significantly bolstered our ordinary profit. We believe these financial results clearly demonstrate that our growth is now firmly on track. Next, I would like to discuss our performance by business segment. I am pleased to report that we achieved operating profitability across all segments in the third quarter. The mutual complementation of our portfolio that I highlighted earlier is now clearly reflected in our financial data. First, our mobile game business served as the primary catalyst for the group's growth. The strategic advertising and promotion investments we made in the second quarter have yielded results exactly as planned. Driven by the exceptional performance of Oradora, we saw a substantial increase in both revenue and profit. This explosive momentum in the mobile game business was the single largest contributor to our overall growth this quarter. Meanwhile, our blockchain-related business navigated a challenging period of stagnation in the broader crypto asset market. However, our previous strategic initiatives provided a critical base for our earnings. Specifically, crypto assets acquired through corporate alliances contributed significantly to our bottom line as market conditions shifted. Our disciplined management of these assets ensured the segment remained a stable anchor, securing operating profitability despite the overall crypto asset market volatility. In summary, our ability to absorb market fluctuations in one area while driving aggressive growth in another demonstrates that our offense and defense synergy is working. This balance is precisely what allowed us to deliver such strong, across-the-board profitability. Next, I will explain the revenue structure of our blockchain-related business. As a fundamental part of our accounting policy, we categorize our revenue into two distinct layers. First, we record tokens received from business activities, such as node operations and staking, as revenue, and include them in our operating profit as core business income. On the other hand, valuation changes in our crypto holdings are booked as non-operating profit or loss. This allows us to clearly distinguish our core earning power from external asset value fluctuations, ensuring full management transparency. While we separate these for accounting purposes, we believe the appreciation of our crypto assets and the resulting growth in these valuation gains is a critical indicator of the expansion and success of our blockchain-related business. Based on this accounting policy, let's take a closer look at the status of each sector. In the entertainment sector, performance remains exceptionally robust. The crypto assets we continuously accumulate through our strategic alliances have generated substantial valuation gains as market conditions evolved, contributing significantly to our ordinary profit. In the financial sector, including our node operations, it was challenging to entirely avoid the impact of the broader market downturn, resulting in an ordinary loss. However, through agile portfolio rebalancing and discipline management, we successfully minimized these losses. Finally, in the investment sector, our Silicon Valley-based Gumi Cryptos Capital Fund II continues to deliver steady equity method investment gains. By balancing these three sectors, the blockchain-related business as a whole successfully navigated market volatility to secure an ordinary profit for the period. Next, I would like to talk about the strategic accumulation of our crypto asset, which remains a core source of our competitive advantage. Our current assets under management, including operated funds, totals approximately 25 billion yen. While this is a decrease from the 30 billion yen level recorded in the second quarter, reflecting broader market volatility, the fact that we maintain a robust 25 billion yen asset base is a major strength. It provides the fuel for our next stage of growth. Furthermore, we are making steady progress toward launching the SBI Crypto Fund in partnership with the SBI Group. This new fund is expected to increase our assets under management by several billion yen. By leveraging this substantial asset base, we will navigate market fluctuations and further solidify our long-term earnings foundation. Continuing on, I will explain the growth trajectory of the crypto assets held by the Gumi Group excluding investment funds. Our group's holding balance reached 12,833 million yen as of the end of the third quarter. This represents a remarkable 144% increase year over year. Our portfolio maintains an optimal balance between yield-generating assets, such as those used for staking, and strategic assets that are essential for our future business development. Despite the market shifts over the past year, we have remained disciplined in our management and focused on the long-term potential of these assets. As a result, our holdings have grown steadily, marking what I am confident is a pivotal milestone in our blockchain-related business strategy. Looking ahead, we will continue to monitor market trends closely and acquire promising assets, such as Bitcoin and XRP, at the optimal timing. Lastly, I would like to discuss our strategic AI investment initiatives, which we expect to become a major pillar of our future growth. We are looking beyond our traditional boundaries to focus on investments into the rapidly evolving AI landscape. By developing capital early into high-potential startups, the unicorns of tomorrow, we aim to generate exceptional long-term returns. This strategy is powered by our elite global network. We have cultivated deep relationships within the world's most influential AI ecosystems, including UC Berkeley's incubation program, AIEB, and Andreessen Horowitz in Silicon Valley. Leveraging this exclusive pipeline, we successfully completed investments in 2 promising AI ventures in the third quarter. We will continue to strategically allocate several hundred million yen toward these agile investment opportunities, maximizing our portfolio's value and ensuring superior financial performance. As explained today, the third quarter marks a pivotal milestone, achieving operating profitability across all segments. With our core businesses now fully monetized and our strategic groundwork laid in high-growth areas, I am confident that our dual engines of growth are now perfectly aligned. I feel strong momentum as we move into the final quarter of the year. In addition to today's briefing, our full results package includes detailed segment progress, performance trends, and an appendix for your review. This concludes our overview of the third quarter for the fiscal year ending April 2026. Thank you for your time and your continued support.